Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about the hierarchy of needs in data science. So it's like a pyramid. It starts from down when the base is big, and then when it goes up, it like becomes very small. So at the base here, we do have something we do, which is we do collect the data, which is user generated from sensors, from databases. We collect it. After collecting it, we move it or we store it. There we're doing a process called ETL or ELT. I'm going to explain more about the difference between ELT and ETL. So we have our pipelines right here on the move step. So after the move step, we do have another step which is called explore or transform. We might want to add a new column to the data, or we might want our data to be in a certain data type for a specific column. So we are going to transform the data. We can either use different technologies like MySQL, Python, or even Pandas itself. Talking from what I've used before, of course, there are various other technologies that you could use to transform the data. You can use Excel, you can use C++, you can use Java, but this is also the transform stage. So after the transform, we transform the data according to the business rules. Yeah, we transform the data according to the business rules. Maybe there's something that the business wants for that data. So we transform the data to make it viable for the end consumer, who might be the data analyst or the data scientist or the machine learning engineer. Then the other thing that we do on top of that is that we have the learning step. The learning step, okay, no, okay, we do have the aggregate level. That's where you have your visualizations, that's where you have your analytics. That's where you're seeing what is in real inside the data. You're really aggregating it, and then you have your analytics going at this stage. Then the other stage is that we learn from our data. That's now when you start hearing of things like deep learning and AI. We are just learning more about the patterns that are inside our data. So that is the data science hierarchy of needs when it comes to data science. What do we do at each stage? So we start with collecting the data. After collecting the data, we can move it or store it. After moving or storing it, we can explore it or transform it. After exploring and transforming it, we can either aggregate it meaning we need to have it in visualization, do our analytics, and then so on. Tools, there are very many tools to do that. There's Looker by Google, and then we also have Microsoft Power BI by Microsoft itself. Then we have the learning stage. That's where we do the deep learning and artificial intelligence. That's when, because now if you're watching this video, I'm making it on the date of the 14th of January 2024. Right now, we do have AI. It's all the hype, it's all the craze. That's where all the money is going. So right now it's AI. We're on the last stage right now. That's where uh, that's the last step on the data science hierarchy of needs. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to watch for more videos. And if you do have a friend that you think would benefit from this, I would appreciate if you did a word of mouth. We can only grow this channel or this community way through the word of mouth. If this video gets to be shown to many people, then the platform will think that this content that I'm pushing out is valuable, and it will show it to more people. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.